All right, so we are in slight panic mode at the moment because, oh, I totally forgot I just painted that.
Hi, Jermaine, you want to come see my bathroom? This is the first room you'll notice that doesn't have that mid-century retro vibe like the rest of the apartment. I brought in more of an Art Deco vibe, which isn't always recommended to blend styles, but I think by integrating other colors and tones that are throughout the rest of the house, it's still given it a really nice flow.
That's enough, right?
Let me take you through what I did for the wall. So originally what I wanted to do was this really beautiful like concrete rendered finish. It was pretty obvious within the first 15 minutes of Mum and I doing the application that it was wrong. It was coming out like this really tacky 90s fake leather desktop. So we aborted mission, went back to the shop, and we ended up buying this really beautiful emerald green, which I love because I actually wanted a couch like this and it was just never gonna fit in the lounge room.
So not many people paint floor tiles. What are you actually doing?
I've got no idea. Oh, and I didn't do the tiles up there. I didn't even see them.
So in the last 3 months, I moved into the house. I've had an operation. I've had a small fire. I have had the shower head explode on me. I've chosen the wrong floor paint. I have found out I'm really not that great at painting.
I actually quite like the drops on the floor. I think they look cute. Oh, I totally forgot I just painted that. Oh my God, you idiot.
I am actually really good at saving. I'm really good at finding good deals through the classifieds, and all of that means I'm under budget. One of the most expensive parts of renovating a bathroom is definitely retiling. You've got to waterproof, then you've got to get new tiles, and it just takes forever. And it was time and money I just didn't have. So I thought, what if we just paint the tiles? And after a lot of TikToking research, we kind of came up with this method where we used a primer, did a coat of pink, and then we started integrating these fake terrazzo chips with gold leaf.
Okay, so I'm just gonna leave that. I think I'm happy with that. I don't know, it's so hard to tell.
And we just kept layering and layering until we got to a texture that we really liked. And then we did 2 coats of clear over the top.
I think maybe the gold leaf is a little bit too thin and it's kind of like breaking away as I'm rolling. You know, it can go one of 2 ways, right? It can look really good or it can look really bad. Can't stop now, can you? All right, last coat I've done up to there already. Looking good. Yeah, I'm happy with it.
Overall, it's such a happy room. It's so beautiful to come home on a Friday night, make a cocktail, have a bubble bath, put a record on, in the jungle, and look out onto the north-facing vista that I have outside. Anyway, I'm a little bit hungry and the next episode's the kitchen, so I'm gonna get changed and make you some food.